What's going on? It is December 30th. We tried to get up there this morning and it was too rainy, and so we ended up going to Niche Point, which is over there where the sunset was very nice. We are about to embark on a journey to Paliker's Pass. The conditions look windy, cloudy. The conditions, I would say 6 out of 10. But yeah, it'll be, surf report says 4 to 6, which is about as big as Matt over here. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Interesting board set up here. We have the Wavestorm Costco, sponsored by Costco. I don't know what the other one is, but yeah, it'll be exciting.
Dancing rock and roll.